we get started with this video, we would like to give a very special thanks to Mattel for sending us this box of stuff. In our toy hunting video the other day, we found the last Wild Hearts Crew doll we needed for our collection. We were also looking for the Barbie fashionista with the yellow sweatshirt that we never found, but our besties over at Mattel sent us a little gift. And I'm really hoping it is what I think it is. There's Barbies inside! Barbie fashionista number 120. We showed all of you this one in our last Barbie haul. Number 122. Ooh, this is one that I don't have. We had number 132, but I didn't have number 133. So I'm very, very happy for this. Plus, she's made to move. And this is Ken, number 129. Like that shirt. We might have to take that. Number 130. I like his shirt too. Lots of fun clothes with these fashionistas. Ah! Do you see that? Number 131, the yellow sweatshirt. The one we have been looking for. I am going to open this really fast. This is a broadkin. Like his little haircut. He's wearing a yellow sleeveless hoodie with the words New York on the front, sweatshorts with an elastic waistband, and white sneakers. This sweatshirt is most likely going to Chloe because little Froggy loves wearing her yellow security sweatshirt, and I thought this gave us a similar look. It's a little big, might need an undershirt. The sweatshorts are going to Cam. I have a difficult time finding clothes for him because he's on a Superman body. But broad pants with an elastic waist are perfect. Oh, and he can take the shoes too. Now back to my Wild Hearts Crew doll, Raleigh Radmore. I hope I'm saying that right. I am terrible with names. This doll was $14.97. Our Walmart now has the entire line of dolls and fashion packs. Recommended for ages 6 and up. On the back of the box, Raleigh has a few words at the bottom. I've been told that the only time I'm ever still is when I'm asleep. I'm not sure about that, but when I'm awake, you can either find me playing my guitar loudly or talking about pizza. Usually not at the same time, although I have written more than a few songs about the world's most perfect food. Guessing she's a fan of pizza. Let's take her out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, she has white hair with a magenta stripe. It is shaved on one side and the hair is sculpted into the mold. Oh, unfortunately her goggles have rubbed off some of the paint and packaging, but the goggles are a really cool accessory. I am going to move them so they look like the picture, with the front of her hair going off to the side. She has safety pin earrings, a black choker, a little beauty mark right under the eye. She wears a faux red leather jacket that says Wild Hearts Crew on the back. There are some silver printed details on the front, including the Monster High logo. Right there! Okay, I'm sold. She wears a black tank top with a skull picture on the front, plaid pants with printed zippers, a pink hip bag, also known as a fanny pack, and she wears a pair of black boots. There's a lot of detail on these boots. We can use a little silver paint to make it pop. Cool. It is possible to balance her to stand on a flat surface. All of her clothing items are separate pieces, which we love. In her booklet, we learn that she's good at making or eating pizza and fixing things, needs practice, guitar I love to play but not everyone loves to hear me, I can't even be on time. Aww, she has a problem with punctuality. When we say she likes pizza, we are not joking. Is it weird to be passionate about pizza? I don't really think it is, but sometimes people give me strange looks when I say it. Well, actually, the strange looks usually come after I start talking about pizza history. Then start naming off all the pizzerias from Naples to Rome. I can list off each of their most popular pies right down to the ingredients, oven temperatures, and baking times. I've always been pretty good at fixing and building things, so those skills will come in handy when I'm building my own custom-made pizza oven. But first, I want to grab my own slice of life. Hopefully from behind the wheel of something sleek, red, and convertible. I know my mom says it's impulsive, but I gotta go where my wild heart leads. Where does your wild heart lead you? I love how all of the Wild Hearts crew dolls have different personalities. And keeping with tradition, you know we have to recycle this box. So let's get crafty. Carefully remove the top tabs and cut down the sides of the box. Glue them onto poster board, leaving a little space in between. Fold between the spaces so it can stand up. Lay it flat, cover the inside with scrapbook paper, giving us a brick background. Take the insert from the box, cut off the tabs, stack and glue a few together. While drying, bend it so the doll can sit on it. Add black cardstock to the back, paint the edges with black paint, repeat to make 2, cut and glue together rectangles, add black cardstock, paint the edges to match. Cut 2 3-inch rectangles out of foam board and a triangle, glue the seats into the box, add a rectangle of foam underneath, glue the rectangle of paperboard in between with the small triangle underneath to make an eating area. Use acrylic paint to paint crust, cheese, add a few circles, outline with black to add a little pizza graffiti to the wall. Combine this box with our other Wild Hearts Crew box rooms to expand our Wild Hearts Crew clubhouse. I love this space so much. We've combined a few elements from the other characters to make an expandable room that folds up for easy storage. These dolls are fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. So they're fully articulated, $14.97, and include elements from Monster High? Yeah, I'm a fan. Now let's switch gears from Wild Hearts Crew to Disney Princesses. On our toy hunting adventure, we found these Disney Princess playsets by Hasbro. They were $9.99 each. This is the Royal Vanity, and this one is the Royal Kitchen. Let's bring in a fancy background and take this out of the box for a closer look. Oops, I accidentally pulled off the mirror, but it does go right back into place. There we go. Yay! The vanity is cream colored on the bottom and pink on the top with some gold details. That's a pretty decent doll mirror. There's a drawer that can be pulled out. It comes with a small pearl necklace, lipstick, a gold colored handheld mirror. It has pretty little details on the back. We have a pink tiara and a pink compact that can open and close. There is a full-size gold brush and a little chair to match the vanity. This playset is made to go along with the Hasbro Disney Princesses. Princess Jasmine seems very comfy at the vanity. However, we could totally use it with our Disney Store made-to-move hybrids. These dolls are a tiny bit larger, however, their articulation helps to make it all work. Let's look at the kitchen. I just got it out of the box, and I'm gonna say be careful when unboxing these. The plastic can be very sharp. Here we have a cream and blue stove. with gold details. There's a little bit of glitter on there. There is a faux clock sculpted into the back. A little side table where you can hang a towel. There we go. On the oven, there is a picture of a pie on the front. The door does open. It comes with some pink and yellow cupcakes that you can place inside the oven and pretend that you are baking. There is also a large pie, a pot with a lid, a spoon, a pink pan with Rapunzel's little sun in there, or was it a flower, and a pink tiara. For a height comparison, here it is with the Hasbro Disney Princess, and here it is with our made-to-move Disney Princess Hybrid. I like how you can buy just the play sets, and I think that their prices are pretty comparable to the Barbie individual play sets, allowing you to pick and choose how you want to decorate your dollhouse or castle. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some fun new toys, completed our Wild Hearts Crew collection, and made a fun table and chair set by recycling the packaging. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye! And that's our collection for now.